plot thickens. The girl is falling in love with...
Oh, cut off
There it is.
search shot.
No money shot. I love this thing, but I gotta find out what it's worth. What do you think in terms of a real value?
Big one. $6,000 to $8,000.
6,000 or 7,000. I paid 1,500.
Hey.
Today was unbelievable. Not only did I step up and become a force to be reckoned with, but I kind of found one of the coolest things ever. Well, listen, I sure appreciate it a lot, and thanks again for your time.
Jared and I are bringing the memorabilia that we found to the museum in Knott's Berry Farm.
Let's go. Come on, Peyton.
Hi, honey.
Hey guys, welcome to the Knott's Western Trails Museum.
Hi, Brandy.
Jeff?
Jared.
Nice to meet you.
Nice to meet you.
Well, why don't we come on
Oh,
over
I
here
bet
and take a look at
scared
the
as
shop.
fuck.
Okay, great.
So this is a really cool piece. It's been a long time.